what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monzo Overdraft. So first, we have to have an understanding about overdrafts. So as you can see here, an overdraft lets you borrow money when your balance hits zero. It's useful if you're just wanting to borrow a little extra to tide you over now and again, but it's not for long term because that can get expensive if you stay in your overdraft too long. So if you're struggling, reach out to us. It's what we're here for. So that's what this blog says. So here's how overdrafts work with Monzo. So Monzo is the one that decides if they will offer you an overdraft once you sign up. So as you can see here that when you open a Monzo account, you're going to take a look at your credit file, and that credit file is going to help them decide if you are eligible or if you're qualified, or that if they can lend to you. You can turn your overdrafts on in the app, and you also get to choose your own limit. And just a reminder here that there are charges for using your overdraft. So as you can see, the effective annual rate or EAR that Monzo offer will depend on your credit score, and that could be 19%, 29%, or 39%. So you might also want to ask, when is this interest charged? So the interest will come out of your account on the first of every month, and that interest will apply at midnight UTC time zone on the day the payment settles. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!